I will show you where fire brigade cannot access. Right in front of us, if this Directorate of Industries building or the next building unfortunately catches fire, how will fire brigade reach there? So what I am talking about over here is that there is absolutely no empathy shown towards citizens of Panjim by whoever are people responsible for doing this. Only we should hope and pray that this gets over with. Because I think we all have borne enough. We have been banging our head against dead wall. Unfortunately, dead wall, there have been assurances which have been made, which have been failed. There is no point in crying over these people. We are responsible for it as citizens because we get what we deserve. We get what we deserve. So let us hope that these things get over with and suggest to the authorities who are there, please, you have given a deadline of 31st of May, please stand by it. By 31st of May, whoever have committed, please deliver or have the guts to get down from the chair that you are sitting. This is an appeal from a citizen of Panjim. If you cannot deliver as promised by 31st of May, please resign from your posts. We will come and support you.